We'll take a deep dive into the Nikon D5600, covering its design, performance, image quality, video features, and whether it's still worth buying in 2024 and beyond. Design build. The Nikon D5600 carries the classic DSLR look, sturdy, comfortable, and reliable. It weighs around 465 grams, body only, making it lightweight and portable compared to larger DSLRs. It features a 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen LCD, perfect for vlogging, selfies, and shooting at tricky angles. Image quality. The D5600 shines when it comes to still photography. The 24.2MP sensor delivers sharp, vibrant images with excellent dynamic range. Colors are natural and skin tones look beautiful straight out of the camera. Video performance. The D5600 records full HD at up to 60 frames per second. The footage is crisp and smooth, but the lack of 4K video may feel outdated in 2024. Autofocus during video is decent, but not as fast as mirrorless rivals. Battery life. One of the strongest points of the D5600 is its excellent battery life, offering nearly 970 shots per charge. That's far more than most mirrorless competitors, making it great for travel and long shoots. Overall, the Nikon D5600 is an excellent DSLR for beginners and hobbyists who want great image quality, solid ergonomics, and long battery life at an affordable price. Thank you so much.